Also up there in Abisko National Park in the mountains is a lot of very nice tracks. So here is during the summer season here is also a lot of tourists for trekking. And there is an amazing track. See them, see. Okay. I was there. I've been there 2 years ago during the summer for trek for 120 kilometers. And on the opposite side of the mountains is a small village named Kaluovka. Normally a lot of tourists are going from here, from Abisko to Kaluovka, but I will go from the Kaluovka to Abisko. And during the summer season, how the sun here is still up and doesn't fall down, and also the sun is very, very strong. And I had the sun still in my back. 5 days was the sun in my back, and I met a lot of people, a lot of tourists, and how they were going from the opposite side than me. Their faces, they were absolutely burned, like totally.
Are we on a lake now?
Yeah, here is the lake.
Oh, we're on the lake.
But don't be scared, it's frozen enough. Ice is around 40-45 centimeters. So we also have to measure sometimes and control how strong it is. But the nature here is amazing. How it's absolutely cloud. And it's very nice during the summer season if you are going for the trekking. You just need the cap, you don't need the water, because it's possible to drink water from the streams, from the lakes, from the swamps, everywhere.
GoPro 停止录像。